a psycho in my head. I'm closer to the edge, making me feel like I'm living in misery, misery, insane. These voices in my brain, starting to feel like it's gonna be the death of me, death of me. There's a psycho in my head.
Include Schuyler, Octavia, Linwood, Richland, M.E., Rogers, and Fisher's Elementary. Pause. Per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Thunderstorm warning has severe weather has been reported by the public. Reported golf ball-sized hail in Columbus at 9:25 a.m. Dodge and Saunders. Impact. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Schuyler, Octavia, Linwood, Richland, M.E., Rogers, and Fisher's Elementary. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 a.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Butler, Colfax, Dodge, and Saunders.
So this is how we're gonna start it off, huh? Oh boy. Yikes.
This is a radar indicated threat at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-sized hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Windows. This is a radar indicated threat. Check wind damage to roofs. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Locations impacted include hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. And aims. Expect wind damage to roofs. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Locations impacted include North Severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 a.m. for the following counties. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 a.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Colfax, Dodge, and Saunders.
Take the life